Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening the last Justkidz Mighty Wheels that we have. We're opening the construction set. Let's open it up. Let's check out these vehicles. First, we have the Mighty Machine. Look at that great big construction vehicle. I love the safety lights. It moves really well, and we can connect the trailer right to him, so he can carry Mighty Machines along with him to the job site. Next, we have this great little bulldozer. It has a scoop on the back and a bulldozer in the front, so it's kind of like a front loader and a bulldozer. That's pretty cool. And it rolls really nicely. Last, we have this dump truck. It's a really tall dump truck, and look, it has a nice bucket that empties. Wow, he looks pretty sturdy. He's ready for a great day at the job site. Let's load everybody up and off we go. We're gonna put our bulldozer right onto there, and he can be taken to the job site. I wonder if our other vehicle will fit on there too. Let's see. Oh, he's a little bit too big, but he might stay. That's really fun. They'll be able to do so many different things. Woo! Those great big wheels are great for going over things. And he's mighty strong. He could pick up lots of stuff. Let's see if he can carry anything that we have. He's going to go off and find something. Wow, look at that. He could push a whole car. He's so strong. Now that we've seen 3 of these sets, which set do you like the best? Do you like the construction set, the police set, the fire set, or do you want to see the other sets? We'll have to see if we can find them. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.